Okay, so today I'm going to give you a quick update on this mouse that I got right here. This is the Logitech MX Master 3. And I got to tell you, for now has been maybe 2.5 years, maybe 2 years and 7 or 8 months. I don't even know. It's over 2 years. And I have loved this thing. Really, really good investment. I've been really, really happy with everything that it provides. And to tell you the truth, I think it's a fantastic addition to your setup. Now, before I got this, I had the basic mouse, the Magic Mouse that come with the Apple computers, and I'll tell you, it is a big upgrade when it comes to this. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is that when you hold it, as you can see right here, it actually covers, or at least for me, it covers my whole hands, and it's really nice to be able to move around ergonomically. It feels really, really nice. So I'm just going to show you a couple things that it has. First of all, it gets charged right here with USB-C right there, right? And it takes a while for the battery to go down, so that is definitely fantastic. If you look here on the bottom, and again, I didn't clean this mouse or anything. I've been using it here in my office. You got this little padding right here, right? And I usually use it right here with my table. I have no issues at all. But obviously, it's Bluetooth and it connects to 3 different devices. You can change the devices just by clicking there. So if you have a computer, a desktop, maybe a iPad or something like that, you could rotate through the devices. So it works really well when it comes to that. Again, charging port right here. Now you're gonna come here to the top, and in the top it's pretty simple. You have your right and your left click, and if you click on it, it's very, very nice. Like it feels really fantastic when you click on it. No issues at all. And then you got your scrolling ball right here. And as of right now, if I'm going like this, I don't feel any tension at all. Really nicely. You could just go like this and again, go up and down in whatever website, whatever you're doing. But if you press this button right here, it's gonna give it a little bit of tension. So now as I'm going, I could kind of feel it kind of like click by click, and I like that, right? So on the side, you're gonna have the side scroll right here, which this is amazing, right? If you do any editing or anything like that, obviously the timelines are going this way, right to left or left to right. So it's nice to be able to scroll just utilizing this versus actually just grabbing the bottom section and moving the timeline around is annoying. This thing right here allows you to easily be able to move that, right? So again, very, very simple, no issues at all. I've been editing tons of videos and it does really, really good. And then you see 2 buttons right there. Those 2 buttons are customized. I haven't messed with it too much, but again, you could open a website and let's say you could go forward, you could go back just by pressing those 2 buttons. And then right here, right there, you can barely see it, there's another button that if you press down, it kind of shows you some of the applications that are open. So if I press down right now, I can see that I have eCan open, Google Chrome. I can see that I have Final Pro Cut open, Notes as well open, right? And then from there, I could pick whatever application I want. So again, this one's for the Mac. They have other models, so make sure you pick the right model. This one goes with the iMac, iPad. Obviously, this is going to be space gray. They do have it in other colors as well. But like I said, I've been using this one for a while, and I really like it.